getting ready to go to Busan. So everything is clean. We've been cleaning, got all our luggage. We're getting ready to leave, get out of here. All this junk. Socks on the floor.
Just last minute stuff that you just stuff in your luggage.
Yeah. Stuff it everywhere.
Alright, we are ready to go. Get out of here. Oh shoot, I'm gonna wash those dishes. Dang it. Dang it, Katie.
Doing dishes when we gotta go. Okay, bye home.
All packed up. Now we're going to post our luggage to the next destination.
I'm gonna leave Val over there because the kids are being annoying. They need food and stuff, sustenance. I'm like, guys, it's like noontime. What do you mean you need breakfast? I don't eat breakfast. What do you gotta eat breakfast for? You guys have kids who eat all the time? Breakfast and stuff? Alright, we're gonna go find... Oh, there's Mega Coffee over there. Oh, we gotta cross this way. Alright, let's go that way. These kids are hungry, so we gotta get them some food right now at the Burger Laboratory, also known as Lotteria. There we go. Where's Mama? Done shipping stuff.
Trekking number
150,000 Wang.
Wang?
Wang.
You said Wang.
Wang. One Wang. Cheese sticks here. Yummy cheese sticks. And this big old bulgogi burger. Open that thing up. Oh, look at that. Well, that was weird for all of us.
After eating food, we went straight to the station.
Something's wrong with that speaker system. Really wrong. Almost there. A little bit late. Not my fault. It's weird, but the Uber guy had an address that was not here, even though I put here. It's done this a couple times. Uber, for some reason, does the wrong addresses. So, whatever. It's almost like an airport terminal here. There's food, there's a mall, there's Dunkin' Donuts, outlet section. Look at that gardening place. All right, we're trying to find the KTX platform. There it is. KTX bullet train. On bullet train to Busan. All right, so it is very noisy in here. But we're in the bullet train. We're going to cross through here. Just went to the bathroom. It's a gross bathroom. Wow. It's not a fancy bullet train at all. It seems like it's like the oldest bullet train they've had. And they're like, oh, let's hear to these guys. The oldest one. Pretty sure of it. It was not eventful. I thought there'd be like explosions and dinosaurs and stuff. We just kind of, there wasn't even free food, no water. It was just a seat in a very stinky bathroom. Thanks, Bullet Train. Had my hopes up. I thought there was something cool that was gonna happen. Yeah, we just sat there for 3.5 hours. A regular train would have been a little slower. At least that's good. Oh, hey, what's this? Alright.
After getting off the train, we made our way to the hotel, finally ready to relax for the day.
I guess it's cool.
Not bad. Big bed. Alright, open up the blinds. Cool. View of the city. A little dirty. Ah, there we go. View of the city.
And that wraps up today's travel. Stay tuned for the next vlog. We've got a lot to explore in Busan,